Consider a community of 50 people where 30 people own a pet dog and 25 people own a pet cat. 10 people own a dog and a cat as a pet. Now, how many of them do not own anything is the question. Well, let me write this as a community of 50 people. Now, let me call it as set D, where people have dog as a pet and 30 of them are there. And this is a set C where they own cat as a pet and 25 people are there here. So, what does this represent? It represents those 10 people who have both dog and cat as a pet. The question is, how many of them do not have anything as a pet? So, basically, we should be finding out this area, right? How many of them are there here? So, N of C1, as you know, is 30 here because we have 30 who have dog as pet. N of C2 is 25. So, I did not mention what is C1 and C2 here. C1 is having that condition, having dog as a pet, and C2 is the condition having cat as a pet. So now, C1, C2 is those people who are having both cat and dog. Now, which is this position or which is this region, right? So we have to calculate this region. How many fall under this region? So, N of C1 bar, C2 bar is N minus N of C1 plus N of C2 minus N of C1, C2. So, if I have to explain in a diagram, it will be like this. N of C1 bar, C2 bar, if you want, you have to first find out N, which is 50 here. Now, I am going to keep subtracting things. You can see that the shades will go on getting removed and you can find out the answer then. So the entire thing is shaded now, which means that I'm going to consider N, which is 50, the total one, minus N of C1. So N of C1, I'm going to remove this area, this portion, right? So that is 30. Now N of C2 also has to be removed. I'm going to remove this area too. Do you observe that this position has got removed twice? We are over subtracting and hence we should add it once. So this becomes, I'm going to add it once, so it is plus N of C1, C2, right? So I have removed this area twice, so I'm going to add it back once, which means that I have just removed it once. So this area is no more there. So we do not have this entire portion. What remains is the area outside the two circles. So how do we do that? N of C1 bar, C2 bar is N 50 minus 30 plus 25, which is 55 plus 10. So 50 minus 55 is minus 5 plus 10 happens to be 5. So 5 of the people in the community do not have dog or a cat as pet.